Okay, so these are your directions on how to set up your journal. So first thing you need to do is set up your table of contents, and this goes on pages 1 and 2. So at the top of page 1, you need to label it table of contents. And then you need to identify your section. So we're going to use this pink red line as our section header. So we are going to label this page. And then over on the other side of the pink line, you need to write name of assignments. Notice I skipped a line between table of contents and name of assignments. And then take a ruler, and you want to underline very carefully page and name of assignments. And then also take your ruler and go down and do the pink line. So that is what page 1 should look like. Now on page 2, you're going to do the same thing. So we're going to label this table of contents again, because we might use 2 pages. We don't know. And then you're going to skip a line and you're going to write page. And then on the other side of the pink line, you're going to write name of assignments. And then you take your ruler and you're going to underline the blue line right underneath. And then you're going to go down the pink line. So that's all you have to do for that section. Then the next thing you need to do is you need to take your sheet of shapes, and don't lose these color tabs. So you need to cut them out. So we're gonna cut this one. And these are stickers, and make sure your trash ends up in the trash can at the end of class. So we're gonna cut this one out. And we're gonna use this one first. So this one gets put right in this spot. So you're gonna peel it apart and see how long it takes you to struggle to peel. Hopefully not as long as it's taking me. Okay, so you're gonna peel it apart. Remember, no, there's apparently a slit. Okay, well, that might help. So be careful because you only get one. You peel off all this backing. Be careful because it's sticky. And then make sure it's right side up, and you're going to put it right here in the center of the back of your cover. And then you're going to go to the next one. So you need to turn to page 75. We're going to turn to page 75. So 75, and this should be on the right hand side. You need to title it Careers. Okay, and then you need to take your sheet, and we're going to cut out the careers one. So cut it out. And again, make sure your trash ends up in the trash can. And I still have my green tab here. So put this to the side. So we're going to take this, and apparently there are slits on the back. So if you look very closely, you can see there's like slits. So it helps if you fold it, and helps you peel. And then peel off all the paper backing. It's stuck to me. Okay, and then you're gonna put this right, and skip a line, put it right in the center section. And then you're gonna take this tab, and you're gonna place it, skip a line, that's fine, and place it so that the green part's sticking out. And now I came around and gave you some masking tape. You wanna take a piece of your masking tape, and it rips just with your hands. You can also use scissors if you wanna cut it. And you need to put this over top of your tab to help it stick in place. Then your tab won't come off, okay? Now we need to turn to page 111. 111. and we're gonna do the vocabulary section. So we need to title this vocabulary section. And this is on page 111. See, even I messed up numbering pages. And you're gonna cut it out. Remember, leave your color tab on there because you're gonna need it later. So cut it out, put that to the side, and flip it over and find where you can peel it apart. Peel off all the paper backing, and then you want this one to go right here. And then for this tab, count down 6 lines, or come off, okay. Well, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So skip 6 and then place it. And then again, take some of your masking tape, rip off a piece, and you want to tape down on top of that clear label. And it's okay if you cover that and just cover it a little bit, okay? The next page we're going to is 151. And we are going to title this Daily Logs. See if you can see this color. Hope you can see this color. Ooh, lowercase l. Or capitalize all the letters if you want here. If I capitalize all of them, then we'll capitalize all of them. Whatever. And then we have the daily log one, so we're going to cut this out. And you're going to, again, peel the back. Get rid of all this extra stuff. Make sure it ends up in the trash at the end. Make sure it's right side up. And then you're going to place it down in the center. Okay, and now we're going to count down. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to count down 12 lines this time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then we're going to place our sticker. And we're going to take a piece of tape. And you're going to tape it down so it stays in place. Now, the last one you have is this pink one. And this is for you to use back here in the front. And you can move it along as we work. So I would say start it here, up at the top. And then as you fill out this page, just peel this off, go to the next page. So as you work, this is your most current assignments tab. So good luck. Make sure you throw away your trash. I'm going to leave it down here because it looks better down there. But you can put it wherever you want. You can put it here. Doesn't matter. So make sure your name is on your cover. Let me know if you need any help.